The application of technology in a government system is very difficult because of the forces which are there, which do operate in the government, are not measurable. You never know. It's much more complicated than what it is in the corporate or in the private sector, because the simple in the public domain or in the public sector or in the government, there are many more external forces which do operate. There could be a lot of vested interests who operate for the non-application of IT in the government. So the challenges primarily do arise from that areas. Technology is one issue, but in my assessment, technology is a lesser challenge in the e-governance projects rather than the other challenges which do come, whether it's the lower bureaucracy or whether it's the vested interest from the political side or from the other segments of the society, or the different classes or different segments of the society who play their role in trying to avoid the real application of the information technology for their vested interest. So these are the challenges, plus technology does offer some challenge, but as I look at it, technology does come up with the solutions. But it's more critical how to apply it and how to come out with the results which are really in the interest of the public in general. IT is the nodal department for the state government, and revenue is one function which is associated with the land management. And land management is very critical for our country, and particularly for Madhya Pradesh state, which is primarily an agricultural-based economy. So land management becomes extremely critical, and there the usage of IT becomes very important, and we are working on it. There are stages which are growing. We have our entire record on the computer, which is put in a database, and now we are working on digitizing our maps. We also are working on the satellite mapping of the land record. We are working on the vectorizing it. So a lot of things are happening in the areas of revenue management as far as land management is concerned, land record is concerned. Plus, in Madhya Pradesh, we have been using technology for the government usage, for the financial management, for the treasuries, for a very long time. In fact, we have all our treasuries, which are 263 in number. They are all connected through the satellite, through the VSAT, and we have online system through which all the reconciliations are done online. And they are also web-based. Madhya Pradesh was the first state to have come out with a cyber treasury where one could deposit one's dues related with the government through the internet on the treasury website. Good system which is coming up for the development of the commercial taxes. CMC is developing it for the government of Madhya Pradesh, where we will have all the record of all the taxpayers, sales taxpayers and all the dealers. Online system would be there. Similarly, the registration of the land is going to be automatic, and with the automation of the land record, whenever there is a transfer which takes place about the property, it will be automatically done in the system. So all these things are being developed in an extremely comprehensive way, which will lead to a lot of benefits and the advantages to the users and the citizens.